The book of Habakkuk, chapter 2, verse 2 and 3. The Lord said, write the vision, make it plain on tablets, so that a runner may read it. There is still a vision for the appointed time. It will surely come. Wait for it. It will surely come. The secret of the divine success. We must have clarity in our vision. Whatever the prayer intention we are having, how it is getting 100% guaranteed way it is getting manifested. It is a universal law. Whatever you are focusing intense way, you are desiring for it, you attract in your life. So very important principle, it is called SMART principle. SMART principle means it should be very clear, very specific. Yes means should be very clear, it should be very specific. And I will give you an example. Once a young man came for prayer. His intention was he wanted to buy a motorcycle. He wanted to get a motorcycle. Law of attraction. It is a universal law. Whatever things come down, it will come down. Whatever, whoever may be the VIP person, it is bound to come. It is neutral. It is applicable for everybody. So that is why you will get it. Whatever may be the desire of your heart, you follow the spiritual laws, universal law, you will be successful. So when he said, he was a tribal boy, and it is what he was asking beyond his comprehension, beyond his capability, even though it is a motorcycle. So I told him how you have to pray for a motorcycle. That is the question he was asking me. I told him, you must have very clarity. The picture must come. The motorcycle means, I asked him, it is a abstract. You know, motorcycle, the clarity is not getting clear. The clear picture, it is needed. And I asked him, there are many types, brands of the motorcycles are there. What kind of? And it is a few years back. He said, I need Hero Honda. Then I told various kinds of Hero Honda motorcycles are there. Then he said, I need Hero Honda Splendor. That time it was highly appreciated. Latest one that time. Hero Honda Splendor. So it came little more clarity. And I asked him, various colors are there. What kind of color? He said, it is a red color. Hero Honda, the Splendor, it is the red color. So the picture is very clear. And more intensity to come, that feeling, I told him, now you can see it very clearly. Then I told him, you go and sit in the motorcycle. Visualize, imagine, picturize. You go and sit in the motorcycle. And go, and I told him, you have to kick the motorcycle. You feel it, that motorcycle. You feel it in that motorcycle. You have to see it. You have to hear it. Then I told him, he was recently, this young person recently got married. I told him, this tribal boy, I told him, you go and sit behind the, tell your wife to sit in, tell her to sit behind your motorcycle. He was so excited. And I told him, now you change the gear into neutral and change into the accelerator you give, change into the one. And he said immediately, wow, that feeling, emotions, it is affected with that excitement, joy. So these are the important things. You should have able to see it, hear it, feel it. So clear. Hero Honda means, the motorcycle means, it became, and face to face, it is the inner soul, it is the heart of the mind. He was able to see it, he was able to hear it, he was able to feel it. So that is called specific. Then I told the SMART principle, it is measurable. Measurable means, I give you an example. There was one young, that small, another boy, he was studying in the 10th standard. He just joined. The mother told, I am not, this son is not studying properly. Then I told him, how much mark you got it? He said, highest mark I got it, 55%. I told him, yes, you see it, 65% inside your mind. Then he said, yes, I can pray for 60%. I can see my progress card. I can see the teachers are congratulating. The next term exam, you have to strive for 60%. It is measurable. It is achievable. The third point is, it is a achievable, SMART, specific, measurable, achievable. So yes, if we tell the child you have to get 90%, inside the subconscious mind will tell it is a lie. It is not going to happen. So that is why it should be believable. Inside the heart, it has to be able to believe it. Able to believe and receive. Mark 11:24. Believe and receive, it is yours. So it is measurable 60% and able to achievable. He is very confident. Next term exam he got 60. Then I told keep it 65. Finally, in the 10th final exam, it is 85% this boy got. Finally he joined for the priesthood. All his addiction on the mobile, all the bad character, maybe playing, everything, the whole character is changed because mind is focused and concentrated, mind is purified. He became completely a spiritual person. So it should be specific, measurable. Measurable means it should be able to believe in the heart, and achievable. Should be action oriented. That should be. It is, what is a dream? What is the difference between dream and reality manifestation? The difference is the action. You have to sit and study. You have to meditate. You have to visualize. You have to make affirmations continuous. That you have to take all the spiritual principle to manifest your goal. You have to take action. It should be action. And finally, it is a time bound. It should not be, it should be a time bound, and you have to fix a time. Generally, when we people come for the healing service and all, I used to tell them, maybe 4 months, you keep it in the mind. There should be a target, time bound. When you get up in the morning, whatever the work you are able to do today, what you can do today, do it today itself. What you can achieve within 1 week, what you can achieve, it is in the 1 month, and that project, whatever the goals, it should be happen. The boy wanted to have motorcycle, and because his desire was intense, because recently his marriage was taken place, that is why one of his friend offered, we wanted to give you a special gift, and he got a beautiful gift, wonderful gift, a motorcycle he got as a gift, and he was so excited. Financially it is not at all possible for him to buy, but his desire was very, very deep and very powerful. The miracle happened in his life. So this is the principle of smart. Principle of smart mean it is specific, very, very clear. With all the 5 senses, you must be able to see it. Measurable, achievable. Achieve mean action. You must take a massive action to fulfill your desire. Make a plan, make a strategy, take a support of other people, take an action, and start somewhere else. You have to not only dreaming. You begin with something, and everything will be come to you. Take an action and make it time bound, and finally it is getting manifested. This principle of smart is a secret of divine success. Thank you. Amen.